Imagine waking up and finding out that Toyota has turned the 2026 Corolla Cross into the world's craziest, most luxurious, and widest wide-body machine ever created. What would your reaction be? Because today, I'm about to show you that very car, the one that has shaken the entire internet. And trust me, this is not your normal Corolla Cross. This is a machine from the future, so dangerous, so stylish, so unreal that anyone who sees it can't stop saying, "How is this even possible?" First, look at its rear side. I've never seen fender flares this wide in my entire life. It looks like someone grabbed the car from both sides and stretched it out. The rear bumper is so wide, so muscular, that for a moment you'll forget this is a Corolla Cross. The polished cream exterior shines like liquid pearl under the showroom lights. The moment the lights hit the body, the entire place feels like it belongs to this car. Now let's talk about the 2026 futuristic design. Toyota has completely changed its design language this time. Sharp edges, gigantic air intakes, and knife-like lines. It looks like the car is slicing through the air as it moves. The aerodynamic canards at the back look like something straight from a high-end sports car. They're not just for show, they actually keep the car stable at high speed. Then we come to the off-road tires. When these off-road tires combine with the wide body, the entire personality of the car changes. In 2026, Toyota added a new AI-based multi-terrain learning system. This system reads the road and automatically decides how soft or stiff the suspension should be. Whether it's a smooth road, rocky trail, or sand, the car drives like it has practiced on that terrain 100 times. Now here's the part that shocked me the most: the power system. The new hybrid technology includes Toyota's e-boost system, which gives instant torque. The moment you press the accelerator, the car jumps forward like a rocket. No lag, no delay, just pure, raw power. The Corolla Cross has never felt this powerful before. Step inside, and it feels like you've walked into a spaceship. The entire interior follows a floating design. The dashboard looks like it's hanging in the air. In the center is a beautiful curved display that responds with just a wave of your hand. The ambient lighting changes colors with your mood, transforming the entire cabin instantly. The biggest upgrade of 2026 is Toyota's Neo Drive Assistant, an AI that learns your driving style, your braking habits, your turning angles, even how aggressive you are. Then it automatically adjusts the car's performance to match you. It's like having a personal Toyota engineer sitting beside you, but the real power of this machine is the rear stance. When you look at it from behind, it feels like a futuristic concept car is standing in front of you. People don't even believe it's a Corolla Cross at first glance. The widened body, the bold curves, the extreme detailing, it's pure attitude. It's like the car is saying, "I'm on the road, move aside." Inside the showroom, this car steals all the attention. Every other car looks ordinary next to it. And honestly, in 2026, Toyota didn't just update the Corolla Cross. They launched it straight into the future. Believe it or not, this car is already blowing up on social media. People are arguing about its wide body kits, making edits, memes, and calling it the boldest compact SUV ever made. And the moment I saw it, I instantly thought, this is pure viral material. And listen, if you want me to build an even crazier, even wider, even more futuristic version of this Corolla Cross, then this video has to go viral, because if this video hits 10,000 likes, I will build a Corolla Cross so extreme that the entire internet will explode.